From Egypt's new capital rises the first mall to put the plan into action. Standing on the shoulders of the very first builders in the history of the world. And now yesterday's dream is today's reality, as construction work in the walk begins. Being a true expert in urban development, Konsstrukta puts its engineered art slogan into action to create this unique masterpiece. From its outstanding design lines and unmatched set of facilities, all the way to the presence of world-class brands, the walk delivers on its commitment to excellence.